We'll guide you through how to download and install Roblox Studio on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Roblox Studio is a great app or program. With it, you're going to be able to go and create games and experiences on Roblox. It's got so many different tools in there, and it's what you need in order to go and get creating. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can go and get it on your system. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything. And then by the end, we're going to have it on our system, and we can go and get using it. So to go and get it, what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice, whether that's Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. Open it up. Now, what we need to do is come to the Roblox website. You can go and just search for it in a search engine, Roblox, and come here. Or alternatively, you can come to the web address bar and type in roblox.com. If you aren't already, you'll need to go and sign into your Roblox account, and you should then be on the homepage, which looks like this. Now, there are different ways we can go and get Studio, so I'll walk you through in case it looks a little bit different for you. But what you need to do is come to the top of Roblox, and you need to go and find Create. So this is all about creating on Roblox, including Roblox Studio. So go and press Create like this. Now, when you come here, it may go and look slightly different if you end up on the landing page. What you want to do is just come to the address bar and type in create.roblox.com. And then you can press home to the left and you should be here. Now, the first way is you may go and see Get Roblox Studio here with the download button. So we can press download here and you can go and get it. Alternatively, you can come over to the left and come down to all tools and click there. Scroll down into learn and you can go and press get started. Then you can go and press search at the top right. And here you can go and type in Studio like so. And then Roblox Studio Setup. You can click here and you should then find the download button. Then it should go and download. It may go and start running like this. If it doesn't, don't worry. You can check the requirements here, but they're pretty basic. I imagine your system should meet it. But once you've got the installer, you can come and open up your file explorer if it doesn't automatically run. And you can press downloads to the left, and you can then find the Roblox Studio installer. You can double click on it, and then it's going to go and run, as you can see. And it should go and open up like so. It's usually pretty quick. Now, I'm actually already signed in as I have used it before. You may need to go and sign in, but of course, just go and sign in. And here we are. And so what you can do is you can come over to the left and you can go and press new experience. And then it will go and create a new base plate and you can go and get started. Alternatively, you can also come and check out the templates over to the left as well. And you can go and get started with the templates. But that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.